In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts to Gmail from a CSV file. If you've ever needed to transfer your contacts easily without having to input each one manually, this guide is for you. We'll be taking it step by step, ensuring that the process is as smooth as possible. First, let's talk about why you might want to perform this task. If you are switching from a different email provider, merging contacts from various sources, or simply trying to back up your contacts, importing them using a CSV file will save you a significant amount of time. CSV, which stands for comma-separated values, is a simple file format used to store tabular data, such as a spreadsheet or database. All right, let's dive into the actual process. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Gmail account. You must be logged into the correct account where you want these contacts to appear. Once logged in, head over to the Google Contacts page. You can do so by navigating to contacts.google.com or simply typing Google Contacts into your search bar and following the first link that appears. When you arrive at the Google Contacts page, take a moment to explore its features if you're not already familiar. Here, you will see a sidebar with various options. We're interested in the import feature, which will allow us to bring in new contacts from a CSV file. Next, take a look at the left-hand menu and click on Import. A dialog box will appear prompting you to select a CSV file. Click on Select File, and a file picker will pop up. Here, locate and choose the CSV file containing your contacts. Before proceeding, ensure that your CSV file is formatted correctly. Google prefers CSV files with headings such as name, email address, and phone number to streamline the process. If you're unsure about your file's structure, examining a sample or template CSV file can be incredibly helpful. Once you've selected the file, click on Import to initiate the transfer. Gmail will begin processing the data contained within your CSV file and add each contact to your account accordingly. This process might take a few moments depending on the number of contacts you are importing. After importing, navigate back to the main contact list to confirm that your new contacts have been added. They should appear seamlessly alongside your existing contacts. If an issue arises during the import, double-check your CSV file's format for any discrepancies and attempt the process once more. Congratulations! If everything has proceeded without a hitch, you've successfully imported your contacts into Gmail from a CSV file. This process is remarkably beneficial for efficient contact management, allowing you to maintain an organized and up-to-date address book with minimal effort. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore other features of Google Contacts to further enhance your productivity.